Zond 8, also known as L-1 No.14, was the last in the series of circumlunar spacecraft, a member of the Soviet Zond program, designed to rehearse a piloted circumlunar flight, an uncrewed version of Soyuz 7K L-1 crewed circumlunar flight spacecraft. The project was initiated in 1965 to compete with the Americans in the race to the moon, but lost its importance once 3 astronauts circled the moon on the Apollo 8 mission in December 1968. Zond 8 was launched on October 20, 1970, at 19:55 and 39 seconds GMT by a Proton K/Block D launcher since the side 81/23 of the Baikonur Cosmodrome, towards the moon, from an Earth-orbiting platform, Tyazeli Sputnik, 1970-088b. Zond 8 had a mass of 5,375 kilograms, 11,850 pounds. The announced objectives of Zond 8 were investigations of the moon and circumlunar space and testing of onboard systems and units. The spacecraft obtained photographs of Earth on October 21 from a distance of 64,480 kilometers, 40,070 miles. After a mid-course correction on October 22, 1970 at a distance of 250,000 kilometers, 160,000 miles, from Earth, the spacecraft transmitted flight images of Earth for 3 days. Zond 8 reached the moon without any apparent problems, circling its target on October 24 at a range of 1,110 kilometers, 690 miles, and took both black and white and color photographs of the lunar surface during 2 separate sessions. Scientific measurements were also obtained during the flight. After 2 mid-course corrections on the return leg, Zond 8 achieved a return trajectory over Earth's northern hemisphere instead of the standard southern approach profile, allowing Soviet ground control stations to maintain near-continuous contact with the craft. The guidance system, however, malfunctioned on the return leg, and the spacecraft performed a simple ballistic, instead of a guided, re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. Zond 8 descent module re-entered the Earth's atmosphere and splashed down safely in the Indian Ocean at 13:55 GMT on October 27, 1970 at 730 kilometers, 450 miles, southeast of the Chagos Islands, 24 kilometers, 15 miles, from its original target point. The USSR recovery ship Aman was on hand to collect it and bring it back to Moscow. The Soviet government finally decided to cancel the L-1 project in 1970. Imaging system. Solar wind collector packages. Zond 9, Soyuz 7K L-1S/N10, was planned but cancelled. Zond 9 was planned to launch in July 1969, carrying a crew of Pavel Popovich and Vitaly Sevastianov, but never flew. Zond 10, Soyuz 7K L-1S/N15, was planned but cancelled.